is Purple Paisley Planner. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell. So I'm setting up the June planner for the month of June, and you see me doing that now. I put this in time lapse because this was like an hour. So I got it going fast forward on time lapse. I already numbered it. There we go. I made out my stickers as you saw at the beginning of this video. And I'm picking the right stickers to set up, which I always think is fun, printing out your own stickers and setting it up. So I got the sticker. And I'm doing this June, I can't remember what it was. I'll put it in the description where, you know, be the light, just reflecting on yourself. So I'm putting the light right there. And these are stickers that I got from other shops, and they're for personal use only. So it's not for resale. So you could do this and set up your planner the way you like, which I like flowers, and I love that lantern. That looks so cute. I went ahead and wrote out the month of June and put 2019. Didn't May go quick? May went fast. It's always nice making stickers. I do have favorite sticker shops. I like to support my shops. Like Also Paper, I love her shop, and I'll put the other shops in the description below also. So I just love these stickers. So I got a combination of different shops and stickers on here. And I just think it's just so much fun to get some good quality stickers. So when you print it, it comes out looking good. So here I am putting this on. I said, where should I put her? I think I'll put her right here in the front. And this is not going to be the end of it. I have to put something else right there on that page. Well, when I'll show that on my next video. But I think that's so cute. And then I made some social media stickers because I do more YouTube than I do Periscope and Instagram. I love doing YouTube. So I'm getting those stickers ready. And I'm putting them down. It's always nice trying to get this planned out for the month of June. So this was so much fun to do. My Be the Light sticker, I kind of laid that a little crooked. But I don't mind, it's just me. So I'm putting all the YouTube stickers in the Periscope because I love doing Periscope too. Instagram. But the top two I like doing the most is Instagram and YouTube. And then there's Periscope, and then there's Twitch. I do Twitch also, which I don't have the Twitch stickers on here, but I'm going to be making some Twitch stickers too. I got the pray sticker right there, and then I'm putting a prayer girl right there because I want to pray. So that's what I did. I pray every day. So that's something you want to do every day is pray. You know, thank God for another day. I love Bible journaling. And you can check out my website at PurplePaisleyPlanner.com. PurplePaisleyPlanner.com. And I got some great videos on there. So I'm over here setting up the stickers. These are also paper stickers. So I'm trying to get myself healthy. So I got the weight. So I'm going to weigh myself every 2 weeks. And I'm going to do weights every other week. And I'm going to have me time where I could drink wine. That was that sticker I put right there, where you could drink wine. Then you have to have your date night with your husband or boyfriend or girlfriend. So I have date nights. So we make sure we have a date night every week. Sometimes we might have a more than, might be more than once. We might go on date night twice a week. Then I have where I have to meditate. And I'm going to do some bicycling. My sister's, she's got one of those bikes. And then I'm going to measure myself twice a month. So every 2 weeks, I'm going to measure. Right there on the 3rd, that's when I go back to work. So that's the sticker I have right there because I'm going back to work after a vacation. Because I had a week vacation. Then I do Facebook. I don't do Facebook as much as I do YouTube and Instagram. So yes. So see how quick this is going, so fast. Then I had some stickers that I got from Makers Going to Learn from Tanner's website, which I signed up for a year under, which I love. You learn so much from Tanner Bell. So I'm putting those stickers there. Now with his, when you sign up, it's licensed. So if I wanted to sell the stickers, I can. But you have to be a membership, and it has to be the 1-year membership. And I'll put information at the bottom too in the description. But look at that. So I'm going to do a weekly and all that. Sorry about that. My video kind of cut off there, but this is the finish. And then this is where I'll start with my goal for the month and my weekly routine and my weekly. So I'll be doing another video showing this, my goal tracker and everything, and then this right here. So yeah, I'll do a separate video on that each week, which I'll do that tomorrow. And then right there, that's pretty. I'm gonna put something else there. But yeah, this is it. Okay, have a good day, everyone. Purple Paisley Planner.